Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Instagram as a sales channel on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, once you're on your dashboard like I am right now, you're going to go ahead and click on sales channels to the left. Once you're here, you're just going to type in and once we click on that, that's going to take us to this page over here, and we want to click install. And once you do that, you'll be again taken to your dashboard where you'll have to authorize some things. As you can see, you need to grant a request, so just click install right over here. Let me just close the other pages really quickly. And once that installs, we can then go ahead and enter that app to start, well, connecting things. Now, once everything's installed, you will get to the app page right in your options on your dashboard. And once you're here, what you're going to want to do is click here to get started if you want to add catalog ads, or in general if you want to add everything. So just click on get started, and then you're going to need to connect your Facebook account. You're going to go ahead and set up your business portfolio and review the terms and conditions, and then you'll need to submit your account for review. And once that is, well, pretty much checked out, and once that's approved, you can then go ahead and start selling all your items from Shopify on Instagram and Facebook. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you guys in another video.